And now, Parts Bin.
It's a common fact that 60s era Chevy trucks are cool and make the perfect project to restore a hot rod. The problem is, good replacement sheet metal for those trucks has gotten pretty scarce, until now. Because LMC Truck now carries a whole line of replacement sheet metal for the 1960 through 1966 Chevy truck. Got a rusty floor? Check out this OEM style replacement floor pan. Man, no more replacing floor panels, no more doing patch panels. Now you can get the complete floor and just weld it in. Got a damaged or rusty hood? Man, forget about trying to fix it. Just bolt on a new one like this one. Now, what if you have some short bed bedsides that are damaged? Look at this replacement short bed bedside. Man, this has the exact same shape. It's got the inner panels, it's got the bracing, it's got the flanges for the wood bed, just like the originals. Bolting on a set of these will save you tons of metalworking time trying to fix your old ones. So, if you need some sheet metal for your early Chevy, LMC is the place to go.